Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Banner Bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all your financial documents. This includes pay stubs, bank statements, and any outstanding bills. Next, determine your total monthly income. Add up all sources of income, including salary, bonuses, and any side jobs. Once you have your income, list all your monthly expenses. Break them down into fixed expenses, like rent and utilities, and now, categorize your expenses. This will help you see where your money is going each month. After categorizing, calculate your total expenses. Subtract your total expenses from your monthly income. If you have a surplus, consider how to allocate it. If you're in the red, it's time to make adjustments. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Limit discretionary expenses like dining out and subscriptions. With your new budget in mind, open an account with Banner Bank. Visit their website or a local branch to start the application process. Once your account is set up, use the budgeting tools available. These tools can help you track your spending and savings goals. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. This ensures you are consistently saving each month. Regularly review your budget to stay on track. Adjust your categories as necessary to reflect changes in your financial situation. Annual budget reviews can help you stay aligned with your goals. Consider contacting a Banner Bank financial advisor for additional support. They can provide personalized advice tailored to your financial needs. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to effective budgeting with Banner Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.